Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy today. Okay, so today we will learn subject English, lesson number 7, Grandma Mason. What is the name? Grandma Mason. Grandma, you know, no? Mother's mother. Today we will revise the whole lesson again. Okay, children? So that those who have not understood can understand it very well. They can learn it well. Okay, children? So, see, first we will learn hard words. We will read the lesson. I will explain you again. Then we will learn meanings also. Revise these all learning points we had done when I had started the lesson 7. Okay, we will do all this revision, reading, hard words, explanation of the lesson, and then we will do meanings also. So I hope you all are ready to do revision. Understood, children? Now see, hard words. I know that you all have written this in your fair book. I hope you all have done in your homework book also. So today only we will read. Okay? You can read with me. Okay, children? We will revise together. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. See now number 1. Grandma. 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 Grandma is grandmother. Okay, see this grandma. Grandmother. Today we are going to revise. You all know what is grandma, what she is doing, what she forgets. She was very forgetful. She was old, You all know this. So this is your revision. Forgets. So the spelling of forgets. 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 Grandma forgets, no? Things. 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 Grandma forgets things. You all know, no? Yes. So grandma was old. So she forgets things. Number 4 is needs. See the spelling? Needs. N-double-E-D-S. Needs. Number 5. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. You all have learned the spelling of umbrella. Grandma was having umbrella with her, no? Yes. Grocer. G-R-O-C-E-R. Grocer. Okay. Number 7 is buys. B-U-Y-S. Buys. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. You all know, no? Shop. Number 9 is greengrocer. Greengrocer is a person who sells vegetables, fruits. The person who sells vegetables and fruits, greengrocer. That person is greengrocer. I told you when we have discussed this lesson. So now in revision also I am telling you. Okay? Greengrocer. G-R-E-E-N. Green. G-R-O-C-E-R. Grocer. Greengrocer. Number 10 is cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Okay, children? So again we will revise this. Grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A. Grandma. Forgets. F-O-R-G-E-T-S. Forgets. Things. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Needs. N-E-E-D-S. Needs. Umbrella. U-M BRELLA, umbrella. Grocer, GROCER, grocer. Buys, BUYS, buys. Shop, SHOP, shop. Green grocer, GREEN, green, GROCER, grocer. Green grocer. Cucumber, CUCUMBER, cucumber. See here the picture of a cucumber. Okay, so cucumber. Where we get cucumber? Which shop? At greengrocer shop. Understood, children? Very good. Now see other hard words from 11 to 20. Okay. Number 11 is tomatoes. 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 Tomatoes, you know it is a vegetable. Very good. Number 12 is packet. 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 Packet of bread and butter. You have seen, no? Bread and butter. See your bread and butter. Number 13 is bread. 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 Okay. Number 14, butter. 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 Number 15 is wonders. 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 Number 16, walks. 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 Number 17, home. 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 Number 18, wet. 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 Number 19, reached. 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 Things. THINKS. Things. Okay, children? I hope you all have understood this. See here. Tomatoes. TOMOTOES. Tomatoes. 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 Packet. 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 Bread. 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 Butter. 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 Wonders. 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 Number 16, walks. 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 Number 17, home. 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 Wet. 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 Reached. 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 Number 20 is things. THINKS. Things. I hope now you all have written in your fair book also. Now you will learn more. Okay. You have learned very well now. You have learned these hard words. Okay. It in revision you have done it well. Okay, children. So I hope you all have done it. Okay. See now. Meanings. Meanings of lesson number 7. See number 1. Wonder. 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 What is the meaning? Yes, what it means? Wonder means what? Very good. Curiosity. You all have done this in your fair book. So wonder, curiosity. 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 Wonder, curiosity. Number 2 is always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always, always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Number 3 is reaches. Okay, always. What will be the meaning of always? At all times. A-T, at. A-double-L, all. T-I-M-E-S, times. Always you are doing your homework. Means all times, whenever homework is given, you are doing. So, always. At all times. Reaches. R-E-A-C-H-E-S. Reaches. So, what is the meaning of reaches? Yes, reaches means to come to. T-O-2, C-O-M-E, come. T-O-2, to come to. Reaches. R-E-A-C-H-E-S, reaches. Grandmother reaches home, no? So, reaches, reach, to come home. Grandma comes home. We have learned in the lesson. Okay. Number 4 is cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. What is the meaning of cucumber? Do you know cucumber? Yes, you have seen the picture also. So, cucumber, it is a vegetable. A vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. Vegetable. Cucumber, a vegetable. Okay. Number 5 is raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G. Raining. Number 5 is raining. You know it was raining. It started to rain. Yes, we have learned in the lesson. Again I will explain you in the lesson today, in this lecture also. R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining. What is the meaning? Can you remember? Very easy meaning it is there. R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining. It is to rain. T-O-2, R-A-I-N, rain. To rain. Understood, children? Wonder, curiosity. Always, at all times. Reaches, to come to. Cucumber. Cucumber. It is a vegetable. Learn the spelling of vegetable. A. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. Number 5 is raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining. It is to rain. T-O-2, R-A-I-N, rain. Raining, to rain. Understood, children? See, again we will read only so that you will be able to learn it well. Wonder, curiosity. Always, at all times. Reaches, to come to. Cucumber, a vegetable. Raining, to rain. Understood, children? Yes. Now you all have learned meanings as well. Now say we will do reading of this lesson. Okay? We will do reading of this lesson. See here. See here. We will read only this part. Okay? This is Grandma Mason. She always forgets things. She goes to the market. She needs bread and butter. She takes an umbrella with her. See here in the picture, there is a Grandma Mason. She is having a umbrella with her. She always takes umbrella with her and she is going to the market. She is going to the market, but she always forgets things. She wants bread and butter. She wants to buy bread and butter. Okay, for that she is going to the market. But then what she do? She forgets things. Understood, children? See this grandma, she is very, very old. Old lady. So because of her age, she is forgetful. She forgets things. Today she is going to the market. She needs bread and butter. She wants to buy bread and butter. She takes umbrella with her. Can you see the picture? Umbrella. Yes. She takes umbrella with her. Okay. See now next reading. Grandma goes to the grocer. See, she goes to the grocer and buys a packet of bread and butter. She buys a packet. See here she is buying packet. This is grocer. Okay. She buys bread and butter. See, can you see her umbrella here? Yes, kept it her umbrella here in the picture. See, I am showing you. Can you see this? Very good. So she pays money to the grocer. She also gives money also to the grocer. But she forgets her umbrella at the shop. What she forgets at the umbrella when she buys packet of bread and butter? Yes, very good. She forgets her umbrella. She gives money also to the grocer. Okay. So, she forgets her umbrella at the shop. Can you see this? It is grocer's shop. She forgets her umbrella here. Understood? Very good. Now see here. Then she goes to the greengrocer and buys some cucumber and tomatoes. See here in the next picture, she goes to a greengrocer shop. See here. See, a greengrocer shop means this is a greengrocer and it is her shop. There we get vegetables, we get fruits. Can you see pineapples, other fruits here? See here tomatoes, carrot, cabbages and onion. Can you see? She is buying also. And see here I am showing you there is a packet of bread and butter. Can you see I am showing you in the picture? Look at the picture. Very good. So see what it happens. Then she goes to the greengrocer and buys some cucumbers and tomatoes. She buys cucumber. Can you see here in the bag cucumber and tomatoes? She pays the greengrocer. She gives money also to greengrocer. When we buy something, no, we give money for that things. She pays the greengrocer but forgets the packet of bread and butter at the shop. What she forgets? Yes, very good. She forgets packet of bread and butter here. See here there is a packet. She forgets it. Okay, see who is grocer? See, I will tell you grocer and greengrocer differences. A person who sells food and other things is grocer. A person who sells food and other things is a grocer. And greengrocer is a person who sells fruits and vegetables. Greengrocer is a person who sells fruits and vegetables. Now I hope you all have understood this. Okay, children? Very good. Now see. Oh no. Oh no. See what happens? Oh no! It is raining. It is raining. Grandma wonders where her umbrella is. See, grandma, when she comes home, it starts raining. When she is in the window, you can see it is raining. She has come back home. It was raining, no? At that time, she remembers her umbrella. She wonders. She is curious to know that where my umbrella has gone. Grandma wonders where her umbrella is. Where my umbrella is? She is wondering. Okay. See, when she comes home back, no? She wonders where my umbrella is. Do you know what happens to umbrella? Do you know? Very good. She forgets her umbrella. Where she forgot? At the grocer shop. At the grocer shop. Okay, children? Grandma wonders where her umbrella is. She is wondering, oh no, where is my umbrella? Now it is raining also. Okay, in the market she wonders. Then what happens? She walks back home. Grandma walks back home. She comes back. When she comes back, walks back home means she comes home. She is wondering where her umbrella is. Okay, children? So, in that wonder only she comes back home. Okay? Grandma walks back home. My, what's it else? My, her clothes are wet. She came home, no? Because she was not having her umbrella. So she all got wet. See her clothes, can you see? Droplets, drops. Her clothes are wet. So see, there is water everywhere, see? Can you see? Why? It was raining. And she returned back home from the market. She was very forgetful. So she had forget her umbrella and she don't know also where her umbrella was. Okay, children? Can you see in the picture? See here there is water. I am showing you, see, watering. She is wet. Okay? Water is coming. See here from her clothes. Okay? She was not having her umbrella. She is very sad. Where is my umbrella? She wonders. She wonders where her umbrella is. Then she comes back home also. And her clothes are also wet. She reaches home. Where she reaches? She reaches home. When she comes home, no? She puts her bag of, see, vegetables. She thinks, where is my umbrella? She is thinking, I have put my umbrella. Where I have put my umbrella? Where is my umbrella? Then she thinks, where is the bread and butter also? Now she remembers after returning home that where is my umbrella? Where is bread butter? She went home market to buy bread and butter, no? So she is worried about her bread and butter. Okay, now she is remembering while she reaches home. Yes, we have learned, no, that grandma was forgetful. because she is old lady. She forgets everything. Okay, children? See. Oh no, it is raining. Grandma wonders where her umbrella is. Grandma walks back home. My, her clothes are wet. She reaches home. She thinks, where is my umbrella? Then she thinks, where is the bread and butter? Okay, children, she is not remembering where she had put her umbrella, where she has put her bread and butter. Okay, children, now I hope you all have understood this. So again we will revise. We will read this lesson. Okay? See, reading. This is Grandma Mason. She always forgets things. She goes to the market. She needs bread and butter. She takes an umbrella with her. Grandma goes to the grocer and buys a packet of bread and butter. She pays money to the grocer, but she forgets her umbrella at the shop. Okay, children? Then she goes to the greengrocer and buys some cucumbers and tomatoes. She pays the greengrocer but forgets the packet of bread and butter at the shop. Oh no! Oh no! It is raining. Grandma wonders where her umbrella is. Grandma walks back home. My, her clothes are wet. She reaches home. She thinks, where is my umbrella? Then she thinks, where is the bread and butter? Okay? See, I hope now you all have understood this lesson. We have done reading also once. I explained you also in revision also I explained. Okay, children? So read this lesson very well and understand it. Okay, children? So be happy. Do your work properly. Complete this lesson in your fair book. Okay? Complete this lesson in your fair book. Revise it well. Do revision of this lesson. Okay, children? I hope now you all have understood it. Complete it if you are not complete. Write down with good handwriting. Practice writing. Okay? Do practice of writing. in cursive as well. Okay, children? So I hope you all have understood in this revision also, and thank you all of you. Okay, children? Yes.